In this video, I'm going to show you how to make outline text in Photoshop the easy way, using the layer style panel and the stroke effect. This is a super useful trick for posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, and any design where you want your text to stand out with a clean outlined look. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and quick design guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and create or open the design you want to work on. Then grab the horizontal type tool, which you can find on the left toolbar, or just press T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. You can use any font you want, but bold fonts usually look especially good for outline text because the stroke is easier to see. Once your text is on the canvas, go to the Layers panel on the right side and select your text layer. This is important because the layer style changes need to be applied to the text layer itself. If you click the wrong layer, the effect won't appear where you want it. Now here's the key step. Double-click the blank area next to the layer name, not the actual text of the layer name. If you double-click the name itself, Photoshop may think you want to rename the layer, so make sure you click in the empty space beside it. That opens the layer style window, which is where all the magic happens. Inside the layer style panel, look at the list on the left and click stroke. Make sure the checkbox next to stroke is enabled as well. This tells Photoshop that you want to add an outline to your text. In the middle settings panel, you'll see several options you can adjust. Start with the size setting. A small outline might be around 2 pixels, while a thicker, more dramatic outline could go up to 8 pixels or even more depending on your design. The best size depends on the font and the look you want. If your text is small, keep the stroke thinner so it stays readable. If it's a headline or title, a thicker stroke can look really bold and clean. Next, change the position drop down to outside. This is one of the most important settings because it makes the outline wrap around the outside edges of the text instead of pushing into the letter shapes. That keeps your letters looking sharp and readable, especially with thinner fonts. After that, set the blend mode to normal and the opacity to 100%. This keeps the outline fully solid and ensures it appears exactly as intended. Then click the color box to open the color picker and choose the outline color you want. You can go with white, black, red, neon colors, or whatever matches your design. Once you've picked the color, click OK to confirm it. At this point, you should already see an outline around your text, but the original fill inside the letters is still visible. If you want the clean hollow text look, you need to make the fill invisible while keeping the stroke. To do that, look back to the left sidebar in the Layers style window and click Blending Options at the very top of the list. Then go to the Advanced Blending section in the middle. Find the Fill Opacity slider and drag it all the way down to 0%. This is the crucial difference between Fill Opacity and regular opacity. If you lower normal opacity to 0, everything disappears, including the outline. But if you lower Fill Opacity to 0, only the inside text fill disappears while the stroke remains visible and crisp. Once that's done, click OK to apply the effect. And there you go. You now have professional looking outline text in Photoshop. You can resize it, move it, and use it in logos, thumbnails, banners, and all kinds of creative designs. If you want to customize it further, try changing the stroke color, increasing the thickness, or using different fonts to get a completely different style. You can also combine this with shadows, gradients, or other layer effects for even more advanced text designs. If this Photoshop tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.